What is up guys, welcome to the video. In this very video I'm going to give a review of AI Master Suite, the new project from Ram Rawat, the mustache marketer. Well, yeah, what is AI Master Suite? As you guys can see, this is the first ever all-in-one AI marketing suite with 20 cutting-edge AI tools for all your marketing business needs without any monthly fee. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create, manage, grow your business with AI Master Suite like a pro. I'll just show you guys some key features of using this software. You can create unlimited websites, content, videos, graphics, logos, AI assistants, email campaigns, SMS, SEO courses, voice over social media, music, e-com, affiliate funnels, more all at one place. AI website builder to create professional websites, AI assets that wow your audience, AI spokesperson video to engage, connect with your audience, and more like this. You can now see it guys, and I will also show you guys each one's demo in this very video. First things first guys, I will be placing the link in the description. All you need to do is just use that link to purchase the product, choose any upgrades to enjoy the full potential of the software and also the bonuses guys. So yeah, I am going to review the bonuses and autos first, then we move on to the demo. So without further, let's just jump right into it.
前回の内容ではまだまだ表面までしか触れていませんでした。奥に進むにつれ誰も知らない事実が明らかになるでしょう。
Hello, my name is Suno, and I like pizza, but I also have other interests such as playing tic-tac-toe.